Hey guys, I'm Kevin. Thanks for checking out my sound design video of the opening scene from Gravity. For those of you who already watch my channel, this is kind of a little extra lesson, as it were. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a working sound editor. I do a lot of stuff on YouTube, so I want to talk a little bit about what I was trying to do with the scene. So first of all, I thought the sound editing and sound mixing in Gravity was fantastic, and a lot of it was because they made some interesting choices, including having a relatively realistic portrayal of space where you normally don't have sound. What I thought was really compelling is that it makes the threat feel even more ominous and unpredictable, and it's very isolating. It feels very claustrophobic when they're inside their suits, and when you do get sound design elements, it's usually when their suits are in direct contact with a surface, so it's sort of like the sound vibrations carrying through. But I thought it was a fantastic way of doing it, and, different from the way you normally see space portrayed in Hollywood movies. So I thought to kind of use it as a case example, I would take the scene, do your typical Hollywood style, sound design with explosions, whooshes, and, everything you see, you hear, and, use that as a case study to show how different the scene would feel. Basically use it as a way of saying, no, look how good their idea was. Their idea really worked. The funny thing I found is when I was starting to do the sound design for the scene, I was actually still enjoying it, even with all these big sound effects in it, and I wasn't really anticipating that, so that was interesting. Hopefully you've watched my version of the scene, and also have gone back and watched the actual version of the scene and compared them. And please sound off in the comments, let me know what you think. Do you prefer one over the other? What do you see are the pros and cons of each version? I think I've already said I like the way the movie already did it, but this is just another choice that they could have made. And I'd say ultimately, if you're curious about getting into sound design, that's the real big takeaway, that there's some really strong choices made in Gravity in the scene that I used. And a lot of the kind of questions I'll get, and they are good, valid questions, most of which do have, pretty concrete answers, but a lot of questions will be like, how do you do a gunshot? Or, how do you do a car chase? Or how do you do a martial arts fight? And the truth is that there's no real rules to it, and you can really be open-minded and think beyond the obvious. There's always room to do something unexpected, and a lot of that comes out of what kind of story you're trying to tell, what the mood is, what the genre is, and how you want to affect your audience. Does it work in your favor to do traditional kind of Hollywood tropes that you've heard before? Or would it be better for the project to do something unusual? That's a big part of your process. It's not just a technical craft where you're filling in all the blanks. You really do benefit from engaging in critical thinking and approaching each, scene, each project, and thinking, stylistically what you're gonna do. So hopefully this is a good example where you can look at this scene, you can see, two versions of it that are completely different, and they're still telling the same story, but the way it's being told is very different. And so if you're interested, this is my sound effects only that I layered into the scene.